Hey guys, welcome to Long Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to download the Google Chrome on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Guys, you need to know a thing that is before you begin, your computer or your OS or your operating software gives you an inbuilt browser on your computer first. So on Windows, Microsoft is the default browser or the inbuilt browser which you get while you install the Windows operating system on your computer. And guys, use same for Linux and iOS. There will be different inbuilt browsers. First, you will be required to open these inbuilt browsers, use these inbuilt browsers in order to download the Google Chrome. So after you open up any browser available on your computer, press go click on the search bar and type in Google Chrome like this and hit on enter. And guys, you can see there is the Google Chrome. Download the fast secure web browser from Google by google.com itself. Click over there. And guys, you can see the download Google Chrome option available for us. Click on the download Google Chrome like this. And at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the downloads available for us, and this Chrome setup has been downloaded for us. And let's go to the download section and you can open it and show in folder, and after that it will be available on your downloads, and you can just simply click on those and start to set up the Google Chrome. I've already installed the Google Chrome. I'm just showing you how to download the Google Chrome from over here. And with that being said guys, this is how you download the Google Chrome on your computer. And if you have any if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.